Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Traveller in the Allure specification. So this vehicle's an 8-seater. It's got a lovely panoramic glass roof, electric sliding side doors, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors, a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's leather interior, both the front seats are heated and are positioned electronically. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter, you get blind spot detection, and the car also has speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.